how to install Cloudflare WARP on Windows. For installing, first of all, open your web browser and navigate to the cloudflare.warp.com and locate the prompt download WARP button. Click the option of Windows option to begin the download and save the Cloudflare WARP release.msi installer for your file. Then installing Cloudflare, navigate to the download folder, double click on your downloaded .msi file. Then choose your user account permit by click yes and follow the on-screen instruction to proceed with the installation. Accept the license and wait for the installation process to complete automatically. Then click the option of finish to close the installer window. And then guys, setting up your WARP and DNS. Finding the Cloudflare icon in your system tray and click the option of WARP icon to open the application interface. Toggle the main switch to connect the position to active WARP. Click the gear icon, then go to the preferences and select the connection. Then choose WARP mode for the combined VPN and the DNS protection. Optionally select 1.1 with WARP for the advanced DNS feature. So this is the simple way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.